Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Grantley Adams International Airport. Today is a very busy day. I don't know if there are no busy days at the airport, but today looks especially busy. I have so many people taking off. This is where you find the departures, departure gates. And then on the other side of the airport, obviously, is the arrival. There are so many airlines here: American Airlines, Air Canada, Caribbean Airlines, Liat, so many of them. British Airways. Okay. And as is normal in airports, you have people who just arrived and they're waiting for family members or taxis or whatever to come pick them up. And you also have people who have checked in and they're waiting for their flight. And then you see them sitting here. On this side of the airport and also on the arrival side, you can see big screens like this where you see flights that are coming in, flights that are going out, delayed, on time, whatever. Those are people who are flying right now. So they are going to their place. I think their flight time is now. On this side, you also have some more departure gates. This is for Delta Airlines, WestJet, Copa Airlines, Virgin Atlantic, JetBlue. They are on this side. And then there are a lot of people to assist you if you need any help. Then security team as well. On this side, you have the restrooms and staff hall. These are the air hostesses and pilots. And there are so many restaurants, shops, restaurants, places you can buy a snack. We have an ATM here from RBC Bank. If you need to withdraw money at the airport, and this is Italia coffee. It's kind of like Starbucks in Barbados. Although there is Starbucks in Barbados, but we also have Italia coffee. Now that I think about it, I wonder if they are related. Does Starbucks own Italia coffee? Is Italia coffee a different company? Are they working together? This is something I need to research. Alright, there's a place, bar kind of situation here where you can just drink. eat and you buy stuff from the food courts. You can live here and just enjoy yourself. And we have this small waterfall thing, so I call it waterfall or fountain. And then Chefette. This photo is really huge. Check it out. Well, let me show you something about this Chefette at the airport. When you enter, you can actually go upstairs. So if you visit Barbados, you should check this out. And you can see practically the whole front of the airport from here. And then you can see the other side. And they have nice places to come and just sit down and enjoy. And here has air conditioning. So if you come to Barbados during one of the hotter months, outside is cool because they have these giant fans. But if it's really, really hot and your taxi hasn't come here to pick you up, you can just come here. And it's very air conditioned, very cool. And you can wait up here. All right, we're back up. Let's go to the arrival side. If you're picking up someone from someone who's coming into Barbados, this is where you would need to come to pick them up. The arrival side. It's quite a distance, isn't it? I'm thinking about this compared to very many airports in the Caribbean. But if you're coming from the US, then there's so much bigger airports than this. And this is probably just a distance between two gates. Yeah. All right, we're here at the arrival. There are a lot of airport authorized taxis. This is where people are going to come from when they arrive. So these people here are usually either people that just came into Barbados or people that are waiting to pick up family members or friends. And here is where they would come out from, right? So you have the staff here. This is where they come from. And on this side, you have the screen that tells you what is currently going on. Are the flights arriving as they should? Are they on time? Are they delayed? Etc. etc. And you can see. Right? I think this is really cool. There are apps that you can download that will actually show you where on the map in the sky the plane is, and you can use that to track planes that are coming specifically to Barbados. All right. So if you didn't book a taxi before coming here, you didn't book a ride, you can use the airport taxis. You just go up to them and tell them where you're going, maybe give them the location on the map, and they'll take you there. So all the taxis you see here, they're all open for business. There are very few of them that have already been booked beforehand. Very few of them are actually waiting for people, like specific people to come. The majority of them are just open for business. You just walk up, talk to the person, and he'll take you where you want to go. Alright, let's go back to the... Oh, I forgot to show you this side. This is the parking lot area. And it's very huge. So it uses a ticket system. You just go there, you take a ticket and you park your car. And then before you leave, you pay the ticket, and it will basically calculate the amount of time that you've spent from the last time from when the ticket was issued to the time you're trying to pay. So there are a few car park pay stations. There's one in front, and there's one at the back where we just left. Let's go to the one in front, and I'll show you what that looks like. Oh, let's get sidetracked a little. Look at this fruit store. Isn't that nice? They sell fruits, they sell bread, they sell coffee. Not at this particular place, but at the airport. You can eat healthy, you can eat bread, you can eat whatever you're used to while you're waiting for your flight or your taxi or whatever to come pick you. So this is an example of a car park pay station. You come here and you pay, and there's one behind as well. Okay, so that is the Grantley Adams International Airport, also sometimes called Gaia in Barbados. Very lively place, very peaceful. A lot of airports are quite stressful to be around, but this has found a way to incorporate nature. It's like a park, more or less, and it's very, very nice. It also looks extremely beautiful at night. All these lights come on and they look very nice. Maybe I should do a video of the airport at night. Alright, if you visited, this changes. This isn't always here. So sometimes this is here, sometimes another thing. It's for taking just nice pictures. So if you come, maybe it will still be here. Maybe something even prettier will be here. So let me know where you're watching from, when you visited the airport, when next you're coming back. I'd love to hear from you guys in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in your next video.
Anh cho mình ra cờ